How to create and sell your first online course. Somewhere right now, someone with half your knowledge is making 10 times your income. Why? Because they stopped scrolling and started building. They took what they knew and turned it into income. You could do the same today, but the window won't stay open forever. So here's the question. What's stopping you from turning your knowledge into your first online course and your first passive income stream? If you've got Wi-Fi, a keyboard, and a brain, you're ready. Let's build it together. In 2024, online education is a $315 billion industry, and it's growing like wildfire. But here's the kicker. 90% of people consuming content never monetize what they know. You're about to join the 10% who do. No, you don't need a PhD in quantum physics. If you can explain something better than a Google search result, you're in. Because here's the truth. Depending only on a 9-to-5, that's financial Russian roulette. The economy shifts, layoffs happen, AI replaces roles overnight. If you don't own your income streams, someone else does. Creating an online course isn't just about extra cash. It's a gateway to time freedom, scalable income, and yes, finally breaking free from trading hours for dollars. So how do you go from idea to income? Let's break it down. Step 1, find your profitable topic. You don't need to be a guru. You need to solve a problem. People don't pay for information. They pay for transformation. Ask yourself, what do friends come to me for advice on? What skill did I learn the hard way that others could learn faster with my help? And no, teaching your dog to moonwalk doesn't count, unless it's viral on TikTok and you're cashing in. Then, we talk. Write down 3 things you're good at. Then search them in YouTube and Udemy. If people are teaching it and getting views, you've found proof. Step 2, outline and structure. Your course. Your goal isn't to make a docuseries, it's to give someone a shortcut. Think, what are the 5 to 7 biggest milestones someone needs to go from A to Z? That's your course skeleton. Break it into bite-sized lessons. Use a simple framework. Explain greater than demonstrate, greater than apply. You don't need fancy gear. You just need clarity, authenticity, and the guts to get started. Got your structure? Good. Now we make it real. Step 3. Record with confidence. This is where most people freeze. Perfectionism kills momentum. But here's the trick. People don't want perfect. They want real. Don't want to show your face? No problem. Use screen recordings, slideshows, voiceovers. Your voice is enough to lead. Unless your voice sounds like Darth Vader with allergies, in that case, maybe hire a voiceover. Record 1 lesson today, imperfect and raw. That single action separates dreamers from doers. Step 4. Host and sell your course. Your course needs a home, and it needs to make money. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or Gumroad make it easy to launch without coding or tech headaches. Set a price. Yes, you're allowed to get paid for what you know. Don't undervalue yourself, your story, your journey. It matters. Every day you wait, someone else launches, and someone else gets the students who could have been yours. Set a launch date. Tell someone. Put it on your calendar. Now it's real. Here's where it gets exciting. Once your first course is live, you've planted a digital seed. 1 course becomes 2. A course becomes a brand. A brand becomes a business. Imagine waking up to sales notifications while you're still in bed. Imagine students in 10 countries learning from your voice. This isn't fantasy. It's a future you can build. But launching your course is just chapter 1. The next level? Growing your audience, automating your income, and building true financial independence. Want that blueprint? In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to scale your course to 6 figures, even if you're starting with 0 followers. Subscribe if you're serious about building digital income. Drop A in the comments if you're launching your course this month. Remember, wealth isn't found, it's built, and you just took the first step.